I got something the other day. It's going to be very interesting to live inside the backyard. Can't even see it. But it's a 6-engine block. I'm gonna move the car inside the garage. I'm not explaining how. But I can't really see it right now. But is on the stand. Good. Moving it really took a lot out of me. Stamp 6.0L. Let's go. Okay, so this is going to be part of a very, very different and a very long-term series. We're going to be rebuilding a LQ4 with some special fun parts that are not LQ4 parts. This is going to be very, very long-term. Why is that? One, I am broke as shit. Like, I will admit that fully. I am too poor to be rebuilding a LS motor or LQ motor, however you want to describe it. But right now I'm on my way to pick up some heads and an intake, and depending on the quality of that intake, I might be picking up another intake and some valve covers in Sacramento later tonight. But I'm on my way to San Leandro, which just tells you that I'm in the Bay. Like, San Leandro isn't far, it's 40 minutes, but kind of outskirts of the Bay. But I am still at at my core, I'm still a Bay Area boy. But not the slideshow type of Bay Area guy, because this LS is not going into a slideshow car. What will it be going in, you might be wondering. So am I, because my initial goal for this rebuild is to also get a 4L80E, which I haven't rebuilt. I've rebuilt 4L60Es, and I haven't rebuilt a LS motor. I've rebuilt a CSB 350 twice, and I've swapped some LS motors before, but I've never done a rebuild on an LS motor. Doing both the engine and tranny and harness, this is going to be a very special thing, because in my head, the way that I'm going to do it, I'm going to rebuild both of them, and both are going to go swapped into a very nice vehicle. Why a 4L80 instead of a T56-1? Because your boy does not care for stick. Sorry. As much fun as driving a manual car is, and as much fun as a fed by throttle or fed by cable LS motor would be, I don't think it would be that much fun for what I'm going to do with it, or what I plan to do with it. If everything goes into plan, a 4L80E will be purchased within the year, or next year. But yeah, this project is going to be a very, very long-term one. So that's why this is going to be very separate, and why I'm going to look probably very different throughout each clip, because this is just, I should have recorded when I got the block, but I was with my friend picking it up. But today is July 5th. We picked up the block July 3rd, along with an engine stand. Was it July 3rd? Yeah, July 3rd. But yeah, I will see you when I have acquired the heads. So I didn't get a video of me getting them, mostly because it felt weird, and I also did not like to be in that area. I'm going to be picking up an intake and valve covers tomorrow. I wish it was today, but it's tomorrow, which is fine. So the price tag for 5 heads, and an intake, missing one injector, truck intake, was $100. And the 2 valve covers and another intake with all the injectors is $80, which I'm okay with. Having 2 intakes, just in case one fails, perfectly fine. Even though I'm probably not going to run the truck intake. It's whatever. Having the spare part, peace of mind. It sucks that there's one injector missing, but still, good injectors, still fine. Yeah. There's also a 300ZX Z32 right behind me. Ooh. Tesla, go. So clean. Okay. So, I got all the heads inside my little shop space. But, let me show you what I'm working with right now. I need to get these Mustang tires off and like gone. So I need to text my friend about them. But I have the block right here. I'm not going to put the heads on. There's 2 heads there that have rocker arms that I want to put on. But I don't have the head bolts. Luckily, when this guy took this apart, he kept the camshaft bearings in place. Yeah, they're just a little dry. Okay, never mind. I thought he put this engine on wrong. Like, the timing cover was on the other side and the water pump was on the other side. I'm so tired right now. But I'm going to clean up the intake so I can, because I'm getting 2 other intakes tomorrow. One is a complete one. The other one I'm going to use as a donor for the parts for this one, because this one has a fed-by-wire cable, throttle, I mean. which I like. It's just missing one injector. So I'm going to take off pretty much the entire stuff on this, clean it up, and then we're going to go from there. I might end up selling this intake, who knows, but I'm getting another 2 intakes, so I really don't think I need 3. I can do with 2, but 3 is just a little bit too much for me. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna clean this up first, and then, yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. So, my phone's right here because the light would really fuck this video up. But I'm going back up to Sacramento, more like Roseville again. Today's Monday. I just got off work not too long ago. But it's because the guy with the valve covers and the oil pan messaged me back. It's alright, I'm not tripping, but it's like, I was here yesterday. But it's whatever. But this is the Facebook Marketplace LS or LQ. But that is a funny way to think about it, because everything so far has been from Facebook Marketplace. I haven't gone to the junkyard yet to get any parts. Like the harness, ECU, intakes, heads, block, valve cover, oil pan with the pickup is all Facebook Marketplace. Like, I found cams, I found a crankshaft, but they're asking way too much, so I'm not gonna go bother them. All I need now is, but the one thing that I am gonna buy, like straight up new, gaskets. Not playing with that. Along with lifters and push rods. I do not trust used push rods and bolts. A lot of bolts. But I do not trust used push rods for the one reason of, when my boss is 5'3", one of his push rods was bent very slightly, like maybe 3 degrees, maybe, along the whole thing. But you can't really tell. Like, if you hold it a certain way and you have a very, very steady eyeball, you can maybe see it. No, I'm not playing with that, because that caused a small misfire in one of his cylinders, because it was on the intake valve. Yeah, alright. I will see you guys again once I have the parts.